it's Arpana and welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you might be wanting to get a haircut. Due to the corona and the quarantine, you might not be able to go to the salon. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cut your own hair. So I have been cutting my own hair from the past 2 years, and I have tried a lot of different methods which have been shown on videos or by professional hairstylists. But from the past 1 year, I have been trying this method which is very easy and it will give you a perfect result with just one try. It is a very easy method and I hope you guys like this. But before we start the video, I want to tell you that it's better if you cut your hair 1 to 2 inch longer than your desired length. Because even after cutting your hair, if you want any trimmings, then you can cut it out. So it will come to the exact length that you want. But if you cut it to the exact length and after that if you might need some trimmings, then your hair might become a bit more shorter. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say, right? So my suggestion is it is better if you cut your hair 1 to 2 inch longer than your desired length, especially if you have curly hair like me. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, wash your hair and detangle it with the help of a wide tooth comb. Then with the help of a pointed end comb, part your hair into 2 sections. You can use a normal comb also. Again part it into 2 parts from right above your ear. Comb the section neatly and tie a hair tie to the topmost end. And make sure that the hair is firm. It should not be too tight or too loose. Then comb and detangle the hair at the back side and tie a hair tie at the topmost end. Repeat the same steps at the other side. After tying the hair tie, make sure that the hair is firm. It should not be too loose or too tight. Then slowly pull the hair tie to the length that you want. And make sure that all the hair ties are in the same position. Adjust all the hair ties such that they are in the same position. I have kept the back a bit longer. If you want, you can keep it equal or shorter than the front. Most importantly, make sure that the hair ties at the back are equal. Before cutting the hair, I suggest you pull it 1 to 2 inches lower than the length that you want, especially if you have curly hair like me. Always cut below the hair tie as it is easier to trim. Even though the length was fine, I wanted my hair to be a bit more shorter, so I repeated the steps.
Hey, hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And do comment down below if you're going to try this technique or no. And if you haven't, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking my face ID right here. You can watch my previous video over here. And you can follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description below. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!